Come test drive the 2026 Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, sports steering wheel, cloth seat trim. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.